commodity has a ability to erode your margin and profitability. Like for example, what happened in 2021 when auto parts manufacturer, they lost huge amount of money because they had long-term contract. Let's say as a supplier to BMW, they had a long-term contracts when they had to supply certain goods at a particular price to BMW, but the raw material prices kept going up. Okay, so that kind of eroded their profitability completely. Now, many of the contractors will have a pass-on clause or a price variation clause. That is, if there is a price increase in the raw material, they can pass on the but what happens if there is a increase quarter on quarter? Every quarter you are seeing increase in the commodity prices. You cannot pass on 100%, right? There is a lag of 3 months or 6 months or at least a couple of months before you can pass on the price variation. So during a one-sided movement, you may be okay. Even when there is a price variation clause, there could be open exposure. So that is something one has to very clearly see. Then you can also think of, let's say, transformer manufacturer. If you are doing a turnkey project overseas and you have agreed for a fixed price for 2 years or 3 years in your EPC or turnkey project, and you have to buy aluminum or steel to deliver that, and when you buy, the prices go up, it can completely wipe out your profitability if the commodity component is significant. That's why it is important to hedge. So another is business competitiveness. I'll give you one example. So let's say you are a seller of a commodity, okay, and your buyers are asking for longer term fixed price, 6 months or 1 year fixed price, but you are not able to offer them because you are concerned. If you have a fixed rate contract with your buyer, then you will be losing money when you buy. If the commodity prices go up, you will lose money. So you are concerned. So you are not able to offer fixed rate to your buyers. But if you are into hedging, then you will be able to offer the same. That hedging, we have seen practically, hedging deals much more confidently. Right now, let's say you are an importer of certain commodity, you import and you sell with a very thin margin of 4-5%. You are a trader. But if you can hedge, then you can ramp up your volume. Otherwise, you are concerned. If you ramp up your volume and things go wrong, your margin will be so hedging gives you a competitive advantage. In the past, there are so many examples. Companies have gone down because of the sharp commodity prices index. The prices go up or down significantly. And another important point is, it's not difficult to hedge your risk. So initial effort is high and the understanding you have to have, but it's not difficult. It's relatively much more easy to hedge yourself and do a business in a safe manner rather than risky. So if by acquiring a little bit of knowledge, you can do business in a safe manner, then why take unnecessary risk? That is the point. Why expose yourself to risk just because you don't know a particular subject? So this, you can understand this area, it's not difficult at all, and you can hedge yourself. It's not difficult. So there is a good market for petro products, for base metals,